Can't believe I just found these sitting out there in the grass and mud. Maybe somebody stole them and decided to ditch them out there.
Random dad stuff.
As I was flying my drone over these palm trees here, I saw something down in the bushes that looked like a box of some sort. I'm gonna go check it out. It was around here somewhere. Aha! Some new shoes, maybe they're my size. And they've still got the paper in them. Look. What size are they? 10.5. That's my size. I'm gonna try them on. Except they're new shoes. I don't want to try them on in the mud. Let me take them back to the sidewalk. Oh, perfect fit. I think I'll keep them. They're my size. Glad I found them. Lucky day for me. That's all for today's video, I guess. It was gonna be some more drone stuff, but it's pretty windy and starting to rain a bunch. So I'm gonna conclude. Thanks for watching. I guess since I have these new shoes, I don't need my old ones anymore. Goodbye.